sharpening a battle axe. Tampa, Florida Gun Show. Sharpeners are made to flex so they pick up on the original edge. Take that original edge up as sharp as it'll ever get. You see, it works. 100% American made, lifetime guaranteed. The Block Sharpener will sharpen any blade. Tighten them up. I found I can sharpen some of the hardest objects there are with this. I did make these for good hunting knives and kitchen knives. I'm using a D2 full steel pen, and I'm trying to get an edge on anything you run through it. Make your knife nice. There you go.